In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add cards and end screen to your video. Now, it is important for you to understand that cards and end screen will make the viewers to be glued to your content. Like whenever you use cards and end screen on your video, YouTube will continue to suggest your videos to the viewers, to subscribers, and to anybody that watches your video. Now, how can you add cards and end screen to your videos? The first thing to do is to go ahead to click on Chrome. Once you click on Chrome, you type YouTube desktop. If you don't want to type YouTube desktop, you can also type YouTube dashboard, okay? Whichever one you try or whichever one you tap. So whichever one that you choose to do, it will also take you directly to the YouTube dashboard or desktop as you may call it. Then once you type YouTube desktop, go ahead to search. Once you search, then you will see this sign in. Click on the sign in. So once you click on the sign in, you allow it to load so that it will take you to the YouTube dashboard. All right. So we're going to wait for it to take you. Okay, it has already taken you to the YouTube dashboard. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to go ahead to choose a particular video. Let me choose one particular video where I did not do end screen, or where I did not do the end screen on, where I did not put end screen or cards on. So I'm going to choose this particular video. Okay, let me choose this particular video, the ultimate cleaning day vlog. So I don't think that I added end screen and cards to this video. Now, once you want to upload your video, you understand that you have this particular frame, or this particular screen will be on your phone. Now you have to add your title, your description, your thumbnail, your playlist, and everything. Okay, so you can see all the things that you need to add. Then you go ahead to click on end screen. So once you click on end screen, you are going to see the options. This particular one is one video, one subscriber, which means it's going to, if you choose this particular one, then it's going to show you a video, and then it is going to show a video and then a subscribe animation where it will tell your viewers to subscribe. Then if you choose this particular one, it will tell you to use one video, one subscribe too. Okay, but the subscribe is going to be in the left hand side, while the video is going to be on the right hand side. Why this one is two videos, then why this one is one video, one playlist, one subscriber. I would always advise you that you choose this last one, which is one video, one playlist, one subscriber. The reason why I say that you should choose this one video, one playlist, and one subscriber is that when you choose a playlist, and if that playlist has like 10 videos on it, this particular video, once a viewer watches this video, those videos in that playlist will continue to pop up for the viewers to see. Like it will continue, YouTube will continue to suggest that video for the viewer to see, and that way the video will not just watch one video, it will watch 2 videos, 3 videos, and more videos. Okay, and it will make the viewer to stay longer on your channel, and that is exactly what YouTube wants, for viewers to continue to stay on your videos or on their platform because of your content. Now, once the viewer continues to watch those videos, it will invariably increase your watch hours. Okay, so this particular thing, if you have not been using cards, if you have not been using end screen on your videos, you have been losing so much in the watch hours, in the subscribers and all. Now, what will you do here? Go ahead to click on this video. Once you click on this video, you see these options: most recent upload, best for viewer, choose specific video. I would always advise you that you click on choose specific video, so that you will be the one that will choose the video that you want your audience to see. Okay, so for instance, I'm going to choose this particular video, and then it will ask you choose. Then you click on this particular one, and it will ask you to choose a playlist. So click on this and then choose a playlist. So you can see that I have a lot of playlist here. You can see I have so much playlist here. So I'm going to be choosing skincare playlist for this particular one. So once you are done, click on save. Don't forget it, because if you don't click on save, every other thing that you are doing on this thing is null and void. So always make sure to click on save. Now, and after doing that, the next thing that you have to do is go to your cards. When you get to your card, click on this pencil arrow, on this pencil that you are seeing. Sorry about my voice. I think my voice has been cracking lately, but I still have to do this video. So if in any way you don't understand what I said because of my voice, please make sure to drop it on the comment section and I'll give you a better explanation, okay? But I'm going to try as much as possible to be clear, and I hope I'm clear enough. So the next thing that you have to do is click on this pencil arrow. Now, whenever you see this particular cards are those things that always pop up whenever your videos are playing, like this. Now you can see it on the screen. That is what card actually is. Now for this card, they will tell you select a type of card to begin. Do you want video? Do you want playlist? Do you want channel? Do you want link? Now video is that if you choose a video, whenever you are doing the video, whenever your video is going on, then there a particular video will pop out. For instance, if you did how to get 4,000 watch hours and you chose that video, it will now come on the top of that screen and write how to get 4,000 watch hours, so that anybody that is interested, immediately they click on that particular card, it will take them to that video and they will watch that video. And this particular playlist is choosing a playlist that you have done. For instance, you already saw that I made up to 5 playlists. So if you choose a particular playlist, then it will pop out on top of your video, so that the viewers can actually click on it and watch. Then the next one is channel. If you use channel, then it's going to show your channel's link, so that anybody that once they click on it, it will take them directly to your channel for them to subscribe. Okay, and then if you choose the link, then you put that link. Once the person clicks on that link, maybe you want them to see a particular channel so that they can subscribe. So if you put the link of that channel on that place, once they click on this link, it will take them to that channel so that they will subscribe. But now, what do I advise? I advise that when it comes to card, that you add both playlist and video. But most importantly, I normally use playlist because playlist involves a lot of videos. Okay, so playlist involves a lot of videos. So once they click on that playlist, they will continue watching other videos after that particular video that they have just finished watching. I don't know if you understand. Like, let me say there are 10 videos in a particular playlist. If they finish watching that one video, YouTube will show them the second one. It will show them the third one. That way they will watch more of your videos. So the best thing to do is to go ahead to choose, at least for a start, choose playlist. So I'm going to click on playlist and I'll choose, let me say, this is for tutorial purpose, so I'm going to choose lifestyle for this playlist. Then this particular part that you are seeing now is where the time that you want that playlist is the time that you want that playlist to come out or to show. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is check this playlist, and this is where you can push. This arrow is where you can push the time for the playlist to appear. So the first one should at least come to 0 seconds or 11 seconds. So this one particular lifestyle playlist is going to play immediately. Let me just push it to 0 seconds. So immediately they click on your video, this particular card will pop up. That is playlist, lifestyle playlist. Okay, then another thing that I have to tell you to do is go to card again, click on card again, choose another playlist. Okay, I am telling you to choose playlist so that the person will end up watching more than one video, more than 2 videos. Okay, so let us choose another playlist. I'm going to choose this okay, let me choose vlog for another playlist. Then you move the video, the time, maybe I'll move it to 2:30. 2:30. Oh God. Okay, so this is 2:31. Let me leave it here. So once your video reaches 2 minutes 31 seconds, this other vlog playlist will pop out. Now, after doing that, you can as well go ahead to choose video. So let me just choose video for this video. So you can choose video. In that video, you now see the videos that you have and then know the particular one that you want to choose. So let me say I'm going to choose this particular video, unboxing my double microphone. Okay, so I'm going to push this one so that this particular video will start immediately. It's 5 minutes into the video. Okay, I hope you understand. If you're not getting it, just let me know and I'm going to give you a proper understanding of this whole thing. Okay, so this playlist is supposed to be five, actually 5. Now, if you look at this video, you will see custom message optional, test, teaser test optional. Now this custom message is what do you want for the viewers to see. Let me say, for instance, you want it to pop out like subscribe for more YouTube growth or subscribe for more lifestyle content. You now write it here. You write it subscribe for, let me just say subscribe for more here. Done. Okay, if you want to write a teaser test like you want to learn more, subscribe, you can also write it here, but there's no need for that now. Okay, so after doing that, the next thing that you have to do is click on this card again. Anytime you want to add something, you want to add card, go ahead and click on this card. So once you click on this card, the next thing to do is click on, and that me, I'm going to choose playlist. But if you want to choose on, if you want channel, you can click on channel. You can click on channel. Then they would ask you any channel on YouTube. You now search. Let me say precious. Great. I don't know. But let me just look for another title. So you can see that this 1.8K. You can just choose this particular channel card. Then it will tell you custom message. You can just write subscribe. You can just write subscribe for more. Okay, then text. You can also write this text to be subscribe for more. You are the one that know what you want to do, so anything that you want to do, you can actually do it. So you can write subscribe for more. The next thing is just, let me just add another lifestyle let me just add another playlist. So let me add this particular playlist, and you can see you can now move the playlist to whatever angle that you want. So once the playlist is up to 5, 1 2 3 4 1 5, once it's up to 5, make sure to always click on save. Okay, so make sure that you always click on save. If you do that, that way anybody that watches this video will see your playlist. Now let me show you an example of how your playlist will appear each time you are watching a video. We are done with this. So once you are done, make sure to click on save. We have already saved it, and then let's click out and watch this video. Let's watch a video and see how this thing is going to be. Now this is the video that we already did, so let us see. Let me off the volume. I don't want the video to play in this thing. So you can see the playlist that I added. You can now see the playlist showing. So this is how your card is going to be popping up anytime the viewer is watching your video. So you can now see the end screen. So you see the end screen has popped out at the ending of your video. So this is what it actually looks like when you add your end screens and your cards on your video. If you learned something from this video, please do go ahead to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more videos like this. I will see you on the moderation side, and don't forget that I always love you and I'm rooting for you.